Namaskar children, this is Disha ma'am and yes we are going to learn English. As you can see, आज जब मैं record करने बैठी, I had my pet with me, Maggie. Say hi to everyone. Say hi. Maggie, say hi. Yes, she is saying hi. चलो बैठो 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 बैठो. ये भी आपकी तरह ही naughty naughty है, right? चलिए. Now, coming back to our topic. What did we do yesterday? हमने कल क्या किया था? We completed the textual exercises and first of all today I will show you the homework of yesterday that was on page 91. Now as I told you, this paragraph was page number 91. Yesterday's homework. Second box was not supposed to be written. This were the answers. Love plus able gives lovable. Courage plus OUS gives courageous. Adore plus able gives adorable. Fame plus OUS gives famous. Power plus FUL gives powerful. Adventure plus OUS gives adventurous. Right? Chaliye, next let us check these answers also. Tada! I have found the box. Yay! Uh-oh, something is wrong. I better wake Tenali. Wow, so many jewels. Ouch, that hurts. Gosh, what a beautiful jewel box. Yuck, I can't eat this. Right? These are the answers of exercise number 1 of page 91. Now today we will be discussing the question answers and along with it I'll be sending you the answer key so that you need to copy question answers in your notebook. As you saw it in the starting of the video कि आज का homework ये रहेगा that this question answers are to be written in your notebook, in your FNB. Right? Make sure that you have written the new words and word meanings also. Those who have not written word meanings, please write word meanings and then write the question answers, right? Chaliye, let us discuss question answers. First one, what did Mangama think of doing when she heard the thieves? Was she right? Chaliye, at first, what did she thought? She thought that we should shout loudly and call our neighborhood people. But was she right? No, she was wrong. Why? Because Tenali explained that if we will do so, तो ये चोर है जो वो भाग जाएंगे. Right? So she was not right. So next one, what did Mangama suggest to Tenali? It is there somewhere in the first scene. What did she suggest? She told Tenali that you are famous for your wit and wisdom. Why not use it now to catch them red-handed? Right? She emphasizes on Tenali that you are smart and you are popular with your wit and wisdom. So think of an option and catch them red-handed. उनको रंगे हाथ पकड़ेंगे. Next one, the third one. Which thief do you think made the noise that woke up Mangama? Why do you think so? This you need to answer by your own interpretation. These are two thieves, right? This is thief 1, this is thief 2. And इनमें से कौन से thief ने क्या किया होगा तो मनगमा जग गई. As the answer over here says, the conversation of this thing is that you fool, your clumsiness amazes me. How can be thief so careless, right? That means the answer of this question, which thief do you think made the noise that woke up Mangama? Thief 2 made the noise that woke up Mangama. Why do you think so? Because in the beginning of scene number 2, thief 1 is scolding thief 2 for his clumsiness. That shows that उसने कुछ गलती की होगी. It is not mentioned, but it shows that उसने कुछ गलती की होगी. That is why thief 1 is scolding thief 2. Right? Chaliye, moving to the fourth question. Why did the first thief not like Tenali? What was the reason he did not like Tenali? It is there in the scene 2. he did not like Tenali because he helped to put my brother in jail. That means इस चोर का जो भाई था वो भी चोरी होगा एंड तेनाली ने कुछ जुगाड़ करके कुछ सोच करके इसको जेल में बंद कर दिया होगा, राइट. सो द रीज़न वॉज बिकॉज हिज ब्रदर वॉज इन जेल बिकॉज ऑफ तेनाली. सो thief 1 did not like Tenali, right. Next one, don't worry, this is just the discussion of the answer. I'll be sending you the PDF file and you can copy it from the file, right. Chaliye, last question. Who thought of the plan to drain out the well? Who drained out the well? Who thought of the plan to drain out the well? Thief 1 thought of the plan to drain out the well and he himself drained out the well, right. Thief 2 thought of to a plan to drain out the well and he alone drained out the well. Thief 1 was sleeping, as you can see उधर दिखाया है, इधर कहीं है that it is nearly dawn. The first thief is sleeping near the well. The second thief has just pulled the box out of the well, right. So ये idea भी second thief का था और सारा काम भी second thief ने ही किया था. Is that clear? चलिए, these answers are to be written in your notebook. Now let us discuss think and answer. ये आपको लिखने नहीं है, it is just for your information. Tenali and Mangamma thought about the safety of their town and decided to catch them red-handed. Based on this, think and write qualities of Tenali and Mangamma. What are the qualities that is being seen of this? First one is wittiness. Second one is sharp-minded. And they are thinking about safety of others also, so they are kind and visionaries. This you don't need to write, this is just for the explanation. So कौन कौन सी क्वालिटी दिखी हमको? विटीनेस हमने देखा, शार्प माइंडेडनेस देखा, काइंडनेस देखा एंड विजनरी. विजनरी माने क्या हो सकता है, अगर ये करेंगे तो क्या होगा, ये नहीं करेंगे तो क्या होगा, राइट. दैट इज कॉल्ड ए visionary. VISIONARY, visionary, right. Chaliye, next one. Was the second thief as foolish as the first thief made him out to be? Write down 2 instances where second thief proved smarter than the first one, right. Was the second thief as foolish as the first thief made him to be? जितना ये उसको foolish मान रहा था उतना वो foolish है या था? No, he was not that foolish. Write down 2 instances. कहाँ पे 2 जगह पे पता चला that he is smarter? First one I will tell you in the scene 2 when he is suddenly when the light comes from the window of Tenali Raman's room. At that time also only the thief 2 told that run, he is awake. हमको ये पकड़ लेंगे, हम लोग इससे better है कि हम यहाँ से भाग जाए. But then thief 1 didn't give him any ear. Next instance, this was the first instance कि जहाँ पे उसको पता चला कि भाग जाना चाहिए, right. And second instance is when he was thinking कि कुएं में से how will I get the box out. At that time thief 2 says or gives this idea that इसमें से हम पूरा पानी है वो बाहर निकाल देंगे by the bucket and we can get the box also, right. So this 2 instances shows that the thief 2 was not foolish as what thief 1 was thinking about him. Clear? Chaliye, so this answers you don't need to write. This one I will sending a PDF along with this video so that you will copy it. So today's homework would be write question answers in your FNB. If you have not written the new words, there are few new words over there in the first 3 pages. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. There are 8 new words. So those who have, word meanings. So those who have not written the word meanings, please write the word meanings first and then the question answer, right. This one. And my dear children, there is some more exercises over here. colon and semicolon. Will not be doing it. Once the school will start in the nearby future, we'll do it, right? Along with this, paraphrasing with to repeat or something. So it's like fine, we are not going to do these two exercises. So today's homework would be write word meanings and question answers in your notebook. Is that clear? Chaliye, till we meet on Monday. This is Disha ma'am signing off. Bye bye.